Makeup can help you accentuate any face and make it much more exciting and unique in almost every aspect. That is why we want to accumulate as much knowledge on the topic as possible. Just imagine being able to create professional-looking makeup routines on your own. Imagine the impact that such knowledge could provide for you. People will be amazed with your social media accounts. They will be coming back for more content in the form of fresh, exciting makeup routines every single day. Be sure of that. Quality always finds a way to its audience, the same way you stumbled upon this video. We don't believe in the status quo. We are constantly looking for ways to thrive and improve in the field of makeup. And this course is the final product of that hard work and dedication. We want you to join us on this amazing, breathtaking journey throughout the makeup world. In this course, we are going to be sharing with you over 30 hours of video lessons, carefully categorized into sections and lesson areas. There is not a single point in the course where we reference something that was not already covered. We hate feeling lost while learning. It is so stressful. That is why we spend a lot of time and energy on organizing our course. We want to make sure that no student of ours is scratching their head while watching our lessons. We want to make this journey as enjoyable as possible and provide you with a ton of information and experience. That way, propelling you into the world of makeup artists within days. Not years, days. As soon as you are done watching our extensive lessons, you will feel the knowledge being burned into your memory, just waiting to be put to good use and to create some mesmerizing results. And speaking of, we are driven by results. We don't want you to take our words for granted. Enroll in the course and see for yourself if we are just trying to deceive you or if we are offering you something truly valuable here. To do so, you will be able to test our course. We are proud to offer a 30-day money-back guarantee to our students. That way, you are able to see what our lessons are comprised of, the dynamic of the course, and see for yourself if you enjoy our ways of sharing knowledge. We don't believe in irregular things. Those are boring. We want to share something beautiful, something noteworthy. We want to make people feel better about themselves and to teach them how to actually be able to reach that point, with the help of makeup, of course. Art is a very rewarding thing to do. In fact, we think it's a crucial part of our lives. It makes us feel productive. It lights our creativity on fire, enables us to express our feelings, and makes us strive for perfection with every step we take. Makeup can easily be classified as art. Remember that. Nowadays, people all across the globe are paying more attention to the exterior of other people than ever before. One might say that now is the best time to learn how to make that exterior worth talking about. That exact sentence was our motivation when we got this silly idea. The idea of creating such a comprehensive makeup course that nobody has ever made. A course that can teach anyone how to do makeup like a true professional, after a bit of practicing, of course. We need to clarify something here. What we want to say is that, in our course, we do not assume that you possess any knowledge about any of the makeup products. Every single topic and product will be covered from the ground up. The main thing we had in mind while designing this course was to get rid of a very common problem that all of us encountered at some point in our lives. And the problem we're talking about occurs when entering the makeup store. What? That doesn't sound scary to you? Well, you might want to think again before jumping to conclusions. There are like a gazillion different products, and each of those products has a very wide variety of formulas, finishes, colors, types, and applicators. Knowing what to get in any situation is a bit of a struggle if you ask us. That is why we start each of our lessons about a specific makeup product with a talk about its use scenarios and options that it provides. Of course, this is just the beginning of our struggles. After making a decision on the product we might need comes the next problem. And that problem is based on the proper application of each of those products. You have to know which tools to use, how much product to apply, how to blend it, when to apply it, other products that work well with that particular product, and how to fix quite a few other problems. Of course, you'll find explanations on all of the issues we just mentioned. We prefer to do things in a step-by-step fashion. That way, we feel like we are minimizing the chances of doing something wrong. But that is not all we have to offer. We have also added sections with some tips and tricks for covered products. Those tips we have accumulated over the years, so their value is enormous. These tips and tricks are going to propel your progress into the sky in no time. You must think that our struggle ends with proper application, right? The answer is no, of course. You need to know everything about skin, its complexion, tone, undertone, and type. You have to know different face shapes, eye shapes, mouth shapes, and brow shapes. And when you learn about all of those things, you have to know how to address each of them in such a fashion so that you get the best possible result every time. That is why true makeup artists stand out from the crowd. And you would probably be very happy to hear that we are going to address each of those topics in great detail in our lessons. Our course is not based on a few makeup routines which we are going to share with you without the in-depth explanation of everything that goes into the process. We want to teach you basic concepts that you need to know when doing makeup. That is the only way you can create a piece of art with each makeup routine you do. Uniqueness is key. Each person is unique. You are unique. And that's the reason why you don't want to be doing makeup based on templates. Each makeup routine must be unique. It must be based on a face you're doing the makeup on. The sole purpose of doing makeup is to accentuate the features of the face. And templates do not do that. We get it. Doing things in a unique way isn't easy. You have to possess a lot of knowledge if you want to be able to do that. That's where our course comes in. Our course will force you to do things properly. It's going to make you forget everything you know about templates. You'll be thinking with your own head and making decisions yourself. Are you worried about finishing this course and not having some kind of proof that you're truly an awesome makeup artist? We got you covered. We have prepared a certificate for you. But you have to earn it. You have to pass our final test where you have to show you have mastered everything we covered in our course. Our certificate is not for everyone. Only dedicated, hard-working people will be able to earn it. But when you get it, you'll have a reason to be proud, and that is priceless. Obtaining this certificate should not be of concern to you. When you're done with our lessons, you will realize why we are stating this. You will have something much more important than the certificate. You will be full of knowledge and expertise. And no certificate can compare to that. So, we suggest you strive towards learning as much as possible, not obtaining the certificate at any cost. The certificate should only be a reminder of how awesome you actually are. Okay, that was quite a talk we had here. We are going to share with you a quick overview of different areas our course will teach you about. The first area is our regular introduction. This will be an area dedicated to providing information about some basic concepts and things you should know about makeup in general. Next up is hygiene. We are going to share quite a few interesting things about its importance and benefits. We can't skip the talk about makeup tools. This is going to be essential. You will learn about all kinds of tools that can be useful in the makeup world. Our skin is going to be discussed in depth. We need to understand it well if we wish to be great at doing makeup. After the skin, we are going to talk about our face and its features, and their importance as well. The time has come to talk about actual makeup products. Face primers are the first product that we are going to cover. Concealers are the next thing on our list. We will be talking about this well-known product in great detail. There is almost not a single makeup routine that is done without the help of a foundation, which is not that strange considering its vital role in this entire process. That is why we are going to cover every single aspect of this product and prepare you to use it like a true pro. Then we are going to move on to powders. These are essential as well. A sun-kissed glow is something we wish to have at all times. That is why bronzers are not going to be skipped in our course. The talk about blushes will be next. Learn when to use them and how. Highlighting is a must nowadays. Its benefits are very significant, so we are going to cover it in depth. Highlighting and contouring go hand in hand, so we must not exclude the contouring process. This lesson is going to be challenging. It is necessary we apply all knowledge acquired up to this point. After that, we are going to start talking about eyes. We will be covering different eye shapes, colors, and makeup techniques. And here, we are going to discuss the color theory as well. After talking about the eyes, the next logical thing to do is talk about eyeshadows, which is precisely what we are about to do. This lesson will have more of a theoretical approach, while techniques and practical experiences await in lesson number 21. Next up are eyeliners, another essential product that enables us to create amazing eye routines. You will then learn what to do when it comes to eyebrows, and how to treat them properly. Eyelashes will not be left out, of course. We will be sharing knowledge regarding both real and fake eyelashes in this lesson. Of course that we didn't forget to cover lips and lip products, so that is going to be our next lesson. It is time to apply the acquired knowledge and create some mesmerizing eyeshadow routines. We have compiled a list of 11 different eyeshadow techniques that we are going to share with you in a step-by-step fashion. The same approach is applied to lips. We have prepared a set of 6 different lip routines, just waiting for you to try them out. Finally, we are going to work on full makeup routines from this point on. We have prepared 5 complete daily routines, and of course, we tried to cover as many different scenarios and techniques as possible. We are going to follow that up with a set of 6 full night makeup routines. And we will be ending things with a couple of lessons about working with problematic skin. We have prepared another surprise for you. We have constructed a few bonus lessons, which will cover some interesting topics that are extremely beneficial. We wanted to go the extra mile and provide you with this gift. We hope you will like the topics covered in these lessons. And that was a very short overview of what our course can teach you. Go to our website and get more information about our course, the specific details, see some of the makeup routines that are going to be covered in the course, and if you have any questions or concerns, feel free to contact us. We are here for you. We don't feel the need to tell you to hurry up and get our course. We are aware of its value. We know that you are smart enough to understand that you have an amazing opportunity in front of you, and that you're not going to waste it. Have an amazing day.